Well, hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie Blackman and I'm back to share another DIY face mask, which is the turmeric mask. This mask consists of raw honey, organic turmeric powder, whole milk, and for utensils I'm using a small glass bowl so that the turmeric will not stain it, and a plastic spoon. And the benefits for the turmeric mask is that it gives your skin a glowy look. Turmeric is a herb used as a main ingredient in curry. Can benefit your skin as a home remedy for acne, eczema, psoriasis, dry skin, wrinkles, and dark circles under the eyes. And it also reduces skin inflammation due to being in high antioxidant and slows down cell damages. And it's used also as a skin exfoliant and improves the skin texture. So those are the benefits of some of the turmeric as far as using it on your skin. If you decide to use this mask, make sure you are wearing something you are not going to wear anymore, because it will definitely stain your clothing and anything else that comes in contact with it. Make sure your face is clean before applying the mask. As I applied the turmeric mask to my face, I applied it upward. I let the mask stay on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I either rinse or I take a paper towel or an old cloth to remove the mask. And make sure you remove it all. I let the turmeric mask sit for about 20 minutes in order for the mask to dry. And after the mask dried, I went ahead and removed the mask using either a paper cloth or either an old cloth that you're not using anymore to remove the mask. Next, I took my OZ Natural toner to apply to my face to give me that pH balance back to my skin. And then I finished it off with the OZ Natural Super Youth Retinol Moisturizer that has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, vitamin B5, and shea butter. And guys, that was it. So yeah, if you're interested in trying out this mask and you use it, please comment down below and let me know what you think of this mask. And until next time, you guys, be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.